In this video, we will learn together the specifications and contents of the case and the price of Honor 200 Lite. RAM at 8 GB, memory 256 GB. Camera's background 1108 plus 5 plus 2 MB, front 50 MB. Screen AMOLED 6.7 inches, Full HD+, and a pixel density of 394 pixels per inch. Battery 4500 mAh, 35-watt fast charging. Processor MediaTek Dimensity 6080, octa-core with 6 nanometers manufacturing technology. Colors green, blue, black. Fingerprint, on the mobile side, supports face unlock. The contents of the box: the phone is attached, screen, USB Type-C cable, quick use guide, metal pin, warranty. Price $275.